Dreaming of a stunning outdoor space? The secret to a perfect backyard lies in choosing the best pavers and turf. But with so many options, how do you make the right choice? For pavers, consider durability and design. Concrete pavers offer affordability, while natural stone adds elegance. Brick pavers bring timeless charm, and when it comes to turf, high-quality synthetic grass gives you a lush, low-maintenance lawn all year round. The key? Choosing materials that fit your lifestyle, weather conditions, and aesthetic goals. At Paradise Hardscapes, pavers and turf installers, design and construction, Phoenix, Arizona, we specialize in premium paver and turf installations designed to enhance your home's beauty and functionality. Whether you want a cozy patio, a durable driveway, or a picture-perfect lawn, we've got you covered. Visit us at 1930 East 3rd Street, Suite 8, Tempe, Arizona, 85288. Give us a call at 480-680-8278. Email us at info@paradisepaversandturf.com or learn more at paradisepaversandturf.com. Your dream outdoor space is just one call away. Paradise Hardscapes, pavers and turf installers, design and construction, Phoenix, AZ, where quality meets perfection.